Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Today I'm gonna share with you an amazing recipe of fig and olive oil. I hope that you will like it. Within the Quran, their significance is emphasized within the verse as meals which are sworn by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. After we carry these two meals collectively and look ahead to some time, a therapeutic reservoir seems and the advantages don't finish with the counting. A team of Japanese researchers found that combining figs and olive oil made a protein named metallothionein, potent in promoting metabolism and maintaining overall health. The mixture is said to treat a host of medical conditions like digestion problems, piles, constipation, rheumatism, high cholesterol, anemia, asthma, bronchitis, cough, cold, and infertility. Figs also help treat sexual impotence and increase fertility, delay aging, treat acne, and vitamin C in figs lightens skin and promotes collagen production. It's also effective against skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. The fruit helps treat kidney stones and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Tryptophan in figs helps fight insomnia. The fruit has soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels in your blood. It has phenols, omega-3, and omega-6 fatty acids, which protect your heart from diseases. There is a high level of monosaturated fatty acid present in extra virgin oil that reduces the risk of heart disease. Well, it's so simple. All we need is 250 to 300 grams natural dried figs and half-liter glass jar and virgin olive oil. Wash the figs and drain it. It's chopped into small items. Press the chopped figs right into a half-liter glass jar as a lot because it takes. It's crammed with olive oil till it reaches the highest. It's stored in a darkish place for 5 days with its mouth closed. Afterwards, 2 or 3 items are consumed on an empty abdomen within the morning. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.